Hi everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for November 2019. This month we're going to clean up business from the last year as we prepare for the new. I know what you're thinking, but it's only November. We still have 2 months to go until the new year. Well, we all know that energetically things can shift in an instant. But when it comes to the physical, things can take much longer. When we think about cleaning up old business, we tend to focus on what's going on right now. What's happening today, or yesterday, or even last week. But what about things that happened last month that are still hanging? Or last year? Or last decade? Are there still things left undone? And the same thing goes for unfinished things that we've written off as no longer relevant. All of that extra energy that's left undone holds us back from getting new things accomplished. We're held back from finishing new projects, beginning new projects, and even clearly conceiving new projects when we have old, unfinished business in our space. And remember, unfinished projects also applies to people. I like using the mantra, you've got to get rid of the old stuff to make room for the new stuff. So let's jump right in and get rid of some stuff. Let's pull some codes. Here's the question. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will focus our awareness on the old energy in our space and assist us in completing or releasing it, assist us in only beginning new projects that support our highest good, and rewire us to complete those projects? And this month only one code came up. It's from the Anahata Codes. It's from the totem animals category, and it's the snow leopard. So what does the snow leopard have to do with closing the old business and setting us up for the new? In the world of spirit animals, the snow leopard represents perception, awareness, and recognition not only of our surroundings, but opportunities therein. In addition, the snow leopard bears 3 distinct colors: white for purity and spirit, black for the enigmatic and enchanting, and brown, the hue of the earth element. Blended together, we have the symbolism of remaining well-grounded while exploring the mystical, magical world and communing with the divine. This code is perfect. So let's install this code. Okay, come to a quiet place. And I'd like you to go ahead and ground if you know how to ground. If you don't know how to ground, put your attention on the base of your spine, down by your tailbone, and drop a cord, cable, wire, waterfall, something from the base of your spine all the way down to the center of the earth, and plug it in. And that cable, cord, wire, waterfall is going to release from your space everything that is not yours or no longer serves you. And to make sure that happens, I'd like you to create a switch at the base of your spine, right by that grounding cord connection, and flip that switch to release. And once again, command that switch and that grounding cord to release everything from your space that is not yours or that no longer serves you. And breathe. And now I'd like you to come up into the center of your head. That's behind your eyes and between your ears. That's the place where we are going to do this work from. It's a place of neutrality. And breathe. And now we're going to assume the installation position. Right-handers, left-handers, you are exactly switched from each other. Right-handers, right hand on your heart chakra. Left hand becomes your antenna. You can hold it up, do whatever you need to imagine that it's going to grab the code from the ethers. Left-handers, switch it. Your left hand is your delivery hand into your heart chakra, and your right hand is your antenna hand, the one that's going to grab the code, bring it through your body, and deliver it into your heart chakra through your delivery hand. So go ahead and assume the position, right hand, left hand. I'm right-handed, so my right hand is on my heart chakra. Left is up like an antenna. Now, as I read off this code, I'd like you to imagine this code as one thought coming into your antenna hand and down through your arm and across your other arm and delivering into your heart chakra, and then swirling around your space to find your version of that code and bring your version of that code up to full force, up to full strength, up to full potential. Okay, here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for the totem animal, the snow leopard. 928-327-928-329-76. 928-327-928-329-76. 928-327-928-329-76. 928-327-928-329-76. 928-327-928-329-76. 928-327-928-329-76. 928-327-928-329-76. And close up the installation by putting both hands on the heart chakra. And breathe. Picture that code swirling around in your space. Allow it to match with your code and bring it up to full potential. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Whew. Okay. Open your eyes if you had them closed. That was a good one. The thing I'd like you to remember about these codes is that they only rebalance what's out of balance that's already in your space. Our bodies and our energetic systems already know how to keep things in balance, but because of conscious or unconscious blocks, daily programming, or even DNA damage, we can get thrown out of whack. So as I said before, the codes are not adding something new. They're just aligning with your set of the codes to release, rebalance, reactivate, and replenish the energies already in place. To learn more about how the codes work, just check out my YouTube channel. Also right here on YouTube, CodeAlchemy Weekly, weekly codes with assisted installs, and it only takes about a minute, so please subscribe. And I invite you to go to YourEnergyRx.com to grab your free Energy Tools bundle, the Simple Tools Mind Map. And in the Code Carrier's Closet, you can find workshops, courses, be activated by angels, or pick up a CodeAlchemy wristband that carries the 77889903 brain stabilization code. This code is utter magic. When you wear this wristband, it's like mainlining the code. The results have been amazing. You can also book a one-on-one clear healing session with me, which will reboot your energetic space to create more, love more, expect more, accomplish more, and release more. Or you can book a live personal code session with me to address your specific concerns or desires, where we work together to find your specific code recipes. And if you're not already a member, think about joining my Quantum Healing Code Carriers Facebook members group, where you'll find exclusive access to freebies, huge product discounts, and more weekly codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's code. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.